I have a whole Brumate collection of water bottles and I needed a new one for my husband this time. He doesn't like the ones with just the straw because they're just, you can't get enough water sometimes out of them when you're really thirsty. So I grabbed the Brumate Rise and I did get it in a color that he would not think is too girly. Let me walk you through the water bottle. First of all, it does have a silicone sleeve at the bottom that is removable and interchangeable. Great sway handle, so it's easy to move around, and it's thin from the bottom enough so you can actually put it in your car cup holder. It does have a flap at the top that you can open when you want to drink and close it right back up. It's thin enough from the bottom where you can actually put it in the car holder, and it does have a stainless steel straw rather than a plastic one. Now, to be able to chug out of there, what you can do is remove the straw and then it'll be open and you can chug out as much water as you want, and it also makes it very easy to clean. The Brumate Rise is going to keep your water cold for at least 24 hours. Dishwasher safe, easy to pull apart, and has a lifetime warranty. I've been using my own Brumate cup for about 2 years now, and it's still in brand new condition. Can always just pull everything apart and put it right in the dishwasher and clean it. It comes out clean. Considering the fact that they use stainless steel and silicone in most of their stuff, I don't have to worry about mold either.